Right.
This is Aimee reporting you live. See the Triton cockatoo. This is Aimee reporting from you live to see birds. Now, the first one we're going to see is the Triton cockatoo. Now, this is Aimee reporting from you live. We're going to see some birdies today. First of all, we're going to see cockatoo. Here he is, big boy. This is Aimee reporting for you live. We're going to see some cover birds. So we're going to, the first one is the Triton cockatoo. Here he is. You might not get a better view of him, but he's here. You can see him very perfectly. Can't you see how beautiful he is? His wings are gorgeous, and his little big feathers on his head make it look like an umbrella. Now, the second bird we're going to see is the blue gold macaw. They like to play a lot.
It says do not put your fingers through it. I don't know if you're going to reach to get your fingers through there. Climb on top of you.
It's talking, eh?
Yeah. Now, the third bird we're going to see is the African grey parrots. Can you see what these? Hello. Hello.
Don't get too close to it, Josh, it'll mess with your fingers.
Hi, we're back with Delessa.
Hold on a minute.
Patagonian conure.
Too much focus on it. Try now.
Resting peacefully.
Got him?
Now we're back with green-winged crows.
Two different varieties. Sound like macaws with different species.
With green-winged crows.